Hello friends, welcome to Nimbu.Chilli again. I'm continuing to the 12th day of 43 days unplanned solo road trip. I'm just starting from Sadhupul. The time is around 1 p.m. and I was damn missing a good Punjabi food and decided to reach Shimla to have it. This is the Chail market, very crowded, and I was looking for a good parking spot. I'm very particular about parking and ensure that my vehicle should not cause problem for others. After talking to a local, I decided to visit two places here. First, the highest cricket ground, and second, the Heritage Hotel, the famous Heritage Hotel, the Chail Palace, which is in the middle of pine and deodar trees. Chail is a beautiful hill station in Himachal Pradesh. It is 44 kilometers from Shimla and is known for its beauty and virgin forests. You might not know, but Maharaja Bhupinder Singh was a great cricket enthusiast and he decided to build a cricket ground here on the top of a hill. Yes, you heard it right. The highest cricket ground in the world is in Chail. Can you imagine? The cricket pitch was developed after leveling a large hilltop having an altitude of 7,500 feet above sea level. This being the former summer capital of Patiala, Chail was built by the former Maharaja of Patiala after he was banished from Shimla. Since its foundation in 1893, Chail has been an attraction for both adventure lovers and tourists who want to enjoy the beauty of Shivalik ranges. The Chail Palace is well known for its architecture and was built as summer retreat by the Maharaja of Patiala during the British Raj on the land allotted to him by the British. The Palace Hotel in Chail was constructed way back in the year 1893. It was purchased in early 1970 by Himachal Tourism and converted into a heritage hotel. Counted in the list of the most well-known heritage hotels in India, this hotel is spread over 75 acres of land in this beautiful hill station. This premium heritage hotel provides numerous living options with a restaurant cum bar serving the most delicious Indian as well as international food. The amazing palace is covered with royal furniture, captivating log huts, charming cottages, thick forest, a private orchard, and you can go for a quiet walk around the hotel admiring the beautiful nature or visit what is known as the Lovers Hill nearby and take a break away from the daily and the boring and the monotonous life. Out of all the accommodation at Chail Palace Hotel, log huts are very famous. It is frequented by hikers since it offers wonderful views of the lower Himalayas. If you love trekking, it offers multiple trekking points like Chunga, Kufri and Ashwini Khat. If you love camping, you can find many camping sites because camping is one of the most sought after activity. If you love wildlife, you can also visit the Chail Wildlife Sanctuary here. And if you just want to relax, you can opt for any luxurious resort situated on the three hilltops. Kufri is a small hill station located 20 kilometers from Shimla. Do you know that the name Kufri is derived from the word Kufr, which means lake in the local language here. Although a lot of people come to Kufri for adventure sports with its trekking and hiking trails, it has much more to offer. Kufri remains the starting point of treks to Fagu, Shimla, Manali and Rivalsar. Also make a well-known trekking spot for beginners, and if you are visiting in winters, nothing like it. Kufri is not only meant for trekking and hiking. You can find more than 150 plus species of birds and rare mammals. You can go for a thrilling horse ride, snow trail camping if you're visiting in summers, and yes, don't forget to shop the world-renowned saffron, which is easily found here. I intentionally added this part in this video because I got stuck in this lane. I took a wrong turn and I got stuck in this lane, and it took almost more than 20 minutes for me to come out of this lane. So when you're looking for a hotel, or if you're not sure that this is the right route, always prefer to ask around, because once you go inside, coming back is not that easy. So now I will come to the Nimbu.Chilli road rating. If I have to rate the road condition, I would say approximately 6 on a scale of 10. The roads are okay, but again the width is less, not a complete 2-lane road till Kufri. Post that you will find a 2-lane road till Shimla. If you love skiing, you can make your travel more exciting with the experiences. Overall, Chail and Kufri is an adventurous and fun destination, and a must-visit destination with friends and family. And you can definitely have great pictures and, of course, the spectacular selfies. See ya. Ta-da.